Americans hate AI so much right now, but the sentiment is just not the same in China. I think the main reason why is because in China, they regulate the shit out of AI. The government directly limits what percent of the total energy can be used for data centers to prevent that out of control speculative growth that's happening in the United States right now. And they build their data centers like in the desert where there's too much solar and wind energy being produced. They have no way to store it, so they feed it to the data centers. They also regulate the water consumption. So they have two fully operational data centers that use sustainable cooling using zero fresh water to cool the servers. And they have like 10 more on the way. The United States, meanwhile, has zero. They built one as a test several years ago to see if it was possible, but it just wasn't profitable enough. But in China, not everything is about short-term profits. They're building more new renewable energy than the rest of the world combined because they're not focused on fossil fuel profits because their entire energy sector is owned by the government, not run for profit. While last year alone, Trump canceled enough solar projects that could power 10% of American households. So energy bills in China are at an all-time low despite the AI rollout, and energy bills in the United States are at an all-time high. And Chinese AI focuses on efficiency, so they're able to do a lot more with a lot less. While American AI focuses on profits, it's actually more profitable to be less efficient. The problems with AI are just problems with capitalism. And the banks financing the countless robotic startups, they're all state-owned too. They're moving a lot faster than they were a few years ago. There's a lot more to this than just ChatGPT. It's kind of crazy that the researchers who are using AI to read disabled people's brain waves are just here answering questions, and he just added me on WeChat. Hello. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay. Meanwhile, at their WeChat booth, Tencent was demoing one of their AI massage robots. One of the problems with AI is that it's too generalized and people trust it too much. That's why I think it's useful to have specialized AI products, like a completely separate program just for coding. Something that AI is actually good at because it's a robot. Because China has a healthy balance between the public and private sector, they actually have a bunch of competition in the AI and robotics industries that are making useful things for the world, instead of how the United States economy is just three tech companies in a trench coat.